It is.
Not so fast. The Beast, Brock Lesnar, is here. Tonight marks Brock Lesnar's first appearance on SmackDown in nearly 2 years. However, had he returned at SummerSlam?
Of all the championships that we can go after together, why the Universal title? Think of all the success we can have going there.
I got a question for you, Paul. Why didn't you tell Roman I was gonna be at SummerSlam?
Wow.
My tribal chief, I didn't know. I didn't know.
Accept my challenge, please.
What challenge? What challenge?
My shot at Roman Reigns for the Universal title.
The Rockies.
You've got 5 seconds, Paul.
Those are going to be quick.
5,
Whoa.
4,
That's
3, 2.
Cutting right. Are you kidding me, Paul Heyman? Looking for the F5. Brock looking for the F5. And Roman Reigns with a Superman punch. And Brock Lesnar's got Reigns in position. And now the Usos. Super kicks to Lesnar. Brock goes down on his feet. Steamrolling the Usos.
Brock Lesnar looks like he ate Brock Lesnar, the biggest Brock Lesnar.
Welcome to Suplex City.